To get external access, we are going to open ports on our router. It is interesting to make a table with the list of web servers to which we want to give external access. We will choose the port between 49152 and 65535, which are those assigned as ephemeral. The IP of the device, which naturally must be configured as fixed. The internal port depends on the Web Home Assistant 8123 server, HTTP. Servers usually use 80 and HTTPS as logo. From Siemens, the 8080. Also the HTTP:// or HTTPS:// protocol header. It is interesting to do the test in a browser from the same network with the internal port, putting the protocol header followed by the IP: plus internal port. Example. To open the ports on the router, we have to access it. There are countless of them and they are all different, but the table has to be something like this. Let's go to Home Assistant. We install DNS-IP that creates a sensor with our external IP MIP. We can add it to the control panel. Now we will add Google Sheets. Settings, Devices and Services, Add Integration. Google Sheets. If we are not logged into the browser, if we have changed the name of our Home Assistant instance, we have to change it. Here we link Home Assistant to our Google account. We do an automation that will create the links in Google Sheets, once every day at a specific time and also when our external IP changes. Settings, Automations and Scenes, Create Automation. Add Trigger, Time, we set the time of day we want to save the links. Add another trigger, State, Entity MIP, from asterisk to asterisk. This is executed when MIP changes. Add action, call service, Google Sheets. Add to sheet, Google Sheets, data. This is where we set up the link with the data extracted from the tests. HTTP:// plus MIP plus external port of each device. Save, name and execute. If we go to Google Sheets, we can check if it works. We adjust the width of the columns. We can run again and check. By opening ports we expose our devices to the internet, therefore we have to implement measures. We can also block IPs that try to enter more than a certain number of times. We have to edit configuration.yaml. And add these lines. We have put 5 attempts. We save, verify, restart, fast reload. We can also activate multi-factor authentication. But this requires installing an application on our cell phone. User, multi-factor authentication, enable. We already have our installation configured. Now we will configure our cell phone. To be able to access, we have to install Google Sheets. We go to Google Play, we search for Google Sheets. Go with the algorithm comes out second. We install. Once installed, we open. We give the 3 points of the sheet Home Assistant. We select Add to Home Screen. We leave, and from now on to access from outside we have this direct access. We can see the list of devices and the link for each of them. By selecting the link for each device we access its web server. We check another device. We would appreciate like, subscription and activate notifications.